Just to give you a little background on RSA, you may know us from our original start when we did transform legacy data streams like LCDS and IPDS to PostScript. We focus on implants. It's one reason why we spend time with this group, with IPMA. That's our focus rather than the commercial print for pay market. So our workflow concepts, solutions enable you to do everything from submit jobs, from desktops, from mainframes, from just about any source, collect those, manage those jobs, direct them to the appropriate printers, or even convert those to PDF for viewing. And then we drive all the printers in the production print space. So one of the unique value propositions that RSA offers is that all of our products are driven by our universal print capability, regardless of which manufacturer you have, which print controller you have. RSA is able to drive those printers seamlessly. But it's my pleasure to introduce our key speaker today.
I'm really here, for the most part, to tell you a story about what Progressive has done in the last, I'd say, 6 to 7 years to make their implant viable and to determine whether or not we should continue the implant, continue to invest in it, or do we outsource the work? We're doing a very careful study on all of that. One of the big concerns with there is I would like to be in a position at Progressive where all we supply to our external vendor providers is a completed print file. I don't want them to be owning the manipulation of our data. I think we lose our ability to be vendor agnostic when we get to that point. You gotta know who you're working for, see what the volume is and the project types are that they're bringing to you, to see if the current project types are ongoing. Is it gonna be here? That's the hardest thing. Do we buy something and all of a sudden it's something that's just sitting in the corner not being used? We've got a few of those now. We're gonna put them out in Lake Erie and make them become part of the reef, but we're just not using these things anymore. You gotta be careful of that because it seems to be really exciting today, may be completely useless in 2 years. So that's why you've got to kind of go wide with your capabilities. Go wide with digital is a big example. Digital, variable data content, that type of ability, that's going to last for quite a while, I think. We look at the high-speed inkjet, color printing today. The quality is getting so good on that now. I'm seeing where we can really start to take advantage of the synergies between the two areas and let them work together so that their capabilities can really complement each other and provide us a more powerful solution for Progressive. Analysis is only as good as your data. You need people that understand the data. You cannot sit in your ivory tower, read data, and say, okay, here's the answer to that question, if you have no idea what's going on that floor. These people that are out there that run this equipment, that schedule this work, that in warehouse, everything that's going on out there, their expertise has got to be, vetted with the data so you get a good, complete picture of what's really going on out there. And this is really big. You need business champions. The print shop cannot drive the print shop and its success. You need the marketing people, you need the training people, the corporate people, the IT people to champion you as a solution within your company. Own the brand. This is a real big one for us. Our creative organization literally owns the brand, the look and the feel, the font, the color, the progressive blue, the progressive orange, the progressive font size. Everything that is progressive and gets put out into the world for our advertising campaigns or anything else, we own the brand. We are the brand police. It's very important. That's one of the key things we bring to the table is that we are truly the owners of the brand. Well, guys, thank you. I appreciate your time.